Hi guys, I currently reside in Canada. First time shipper with Island Shipper, and I have to say they have blown everybody else out of the park that I've used previously. I sent two boxes, one arrived damaged. They packaged everything in one at no additional cost. Fortunately, when it comes to the receipt, they weren't organized according to custom. I know so them overcharged me. But let's assure Island Shipper did what they had to do for me, went way and beyond, solved the problem. They even credit me $100 shipping coupon for my next shipping. Guys, what more you want? Go check them out. Reliable, convenient, everything right at your
Family,
doorstep.
friends and fans of Island Shipper. You know, our first responders have a difficult job. And to be honest with you, not a lot of companies honor them. Island Shipper is doing its part by providing our first responders with a 10% discount on their shipping charges. This is not going to be a one-time offer. This is going to be a permanent 10% discount for all first responders, frontline workers. Okay? How do you qualify? It's simple. When you join us and you're asked to upload your ID, just go ahead and upload your work ID. Check by the site in 24 hours and you'll see that you are listed as a first responder. And your 10% automatic discount is applied to any items that you ship with us. And who are first responders? These are police, JCF, soldiers, JDF, nurses, doctors. And you know what? Warders too. Yeah, I know warders are always overlooked when any sort of specialist going out for first responders. But we are honoring our warders. You are in too to get your 10% discount. So if you are a first responder, please go ahead, join us and receive your discount. If you know someone who is a first responder, please share this video. And if you see any link around here, send that link to them too so that they can sign up to receive their 10% discount, permanent discount. Alright? So, all our first responders, Island Shipper salutes you. Keep up the good work.